Is your Skoda Octavia's infotainment system showing a black screen or refusing to play audio? These issues often stem from software glitches. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 5 seconds. If that doesn't work, perform MIB reset. For MIB 2 systems, 2013 to 2020 Octavias, this often involves pressing and holding the volume knob for 5 to 10 seconds while the system is off, then powering it back on. Newer MIB 3 systems, 2020 Plus, may have a reset option in the settings menu or a remote reset feature in the Skoda app. A factory reset via the MIB system's hidden menu, accessed by pressing volume and source buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, can also help. Remember to check speaker connections and fuses located in the fuse box under the dashboard. These steps resolve most software-related problems. For older models, ensure your software is up to date by downloading the latest firmware from the official Skoda website onto a FAT32 formatted USB drive and following the on-screen instructions. As of October 2025, many models support over-the-air OTA updates, simplifying this process. When resets and updates fail, the problem might be hardware-related, especially in high-mileage vehicles. Amplifier failures or a faulty central processing unit may require professional servicing. This could cost between €300 and €600 at a dealership. Use diagnostic tools like VCDS to identify deeper issues. Keep in mind future trends in Skoda infotainment. Over-the-air updates are becoming standard, with 80% of Octavia models supporting them by 2025. Future MIB systems are expected to integrate AI diagnostics for auto-resetting errors. Prioritize preventive maintenance by checking for firmware updates annually. If you have a pre-2022 Octavia, be aware of potential cybersecurity vulnerabilities in older MIB 2 systems and consider upgrading if possible. Remember to consult official Skoda resources for model-specific advice before attempting any fixes.